Hello everyone, my name is Hilda Villanueva Lomeli, broadcasting from Mexico. I am a professor at the University of Guadalajara, and I am thrilled to share my experience completing the certification diploma in the implementation of Finnish Pedagogy. As a higher education educator, the absolute highlight of this course was discovering how to shift ownership of learning entirely to students. The Finnish methodology emphasizes phenomenon-based active learning, which completely transformed how I approach complex subjects. Instead of lecturing, I learned to facilitate environment-driven, self-directed experiences where students solve real problems. Recently, I implemented this framework with my undergraduate marketing and international business students in our intellectual property course. Moving away from traditional exams, the students took completely charge through student-led conferences. They built their own entrepreneurship, developing unique brands, commercial slogans, and fictional characters, and independently led professional board simulations to pitch future trademarks licensing agreements. They weren't just memorizing IP law, they were living it as future entrepreneurships. Looking ahead, my plan for the future development is permanently embedded this student-led presentation model into our university's core curriculum. I also aim to invite external industry experts to these sessions to bridge the gap between academic theory and the global business market. Thank you, CCE Finland, for providing the tools to bring authentic educational innovation into higher education.